Hey, my 2-minute conviction today is that for every pound of criticism or correction you need to bring, give 2 pounds of love. I think it's a great parenting approach, and it certainly works in our leadership as well. 2 pounds of love for every pound of criticism or correction. By that I mean that in the volume of words we say to our people, we want to be characterized as leaders who are more speaking life and hope and opportunity and gratitude to our people than we are speaking to the things that they're not quite getting right, or the shortcomings or the character faults that we're trying to mentor in them. 2 pounds of love for every pound of criticism or correction. I know there are times and places where we need to bring tough love, where we need to talk to those attributes that people around us are not demonstrating like we and they would expect. And I think as leaders, we wouldn't want to shy away from those difficult conversations, those crucial confrontations. However, on balance, it's my conviction that we want to still be people who are giving 2 pounds, 2 kilos, 2 amounts of love and encouragement for every pound, kilo, or amount of criticism. And so that way we're speaking words of life into our people. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. And so we want to make sure that when people are walking away from encounters with us, they are hearing more about the hope and the opportunity that we see in them than the areas that they may have fallen short. I hope that's encouraging to you. It's a constant challenge to be looking for the best in people and celebrating that. And I hope you join with me in making sure the words we say to other people bring life. Have a great week.